like they buy it for less, even if that's really not the case. You see, that's the main reason we put it up by 5%, but we pulled the sell even down by also, like 5%. So technically the items stay the same price, the same, revenue and the same profit.
Every time I try to make any type of a change in it, it just my
No,
sales
so-
stop.
so
It
with
just
the
like
track-
it shuts off.
With the trackers, what happens is once you revise your listing, the sales history that you have attached to it is going to be like.
You got to be careful with that though, because
one day handling time pushes
being top rated have its own, like.
Every time I try to make any type of a change in it, it just my
No,
sales
so-
stop.
so
It
with
just
the
like
track-
it shuts off.
With the trackers, what happens is once you revise your listing, the sales history that you have attached to it is going to be like for the items that have sales history is going to be revised also. So when you run your tracker more than once a week, that's actually algorithmic. That's eBay is kind of like what's going on here because you revise your listing. Think about it like very similar to end and sell similar, but it's not as effective, but it does still affect when you have thousands of items on your store.
But here's the thing. You don't run the tracker with sales on. All your sales event, all your coupons need to be.
Oh no, I never do that. Never.
Okay. So when eBay love to see, right? Cassini love to see changes in your sales. Right? You can test it if you want. Right? If you have an item for $10, you put that item $9.99, Cassini will push it up. 1 cent. You remove 1 cent of that item, it will push it up the search engine. Why? It's cheaper.
Yeah.
It's cheaper because they compare you to your peers a lot, right? Your peers is whoever else is selling that same product in that same category. They're going to compare you to that. And if your item is 1 cent less than everybody else, or 50% more people in that category that's selling that same item, that item goes up. That's just how Cassini work. So transferring that ideology to your sales, is very, very important. You shouldn't keep your sales exactly the same. Your sale event shouldn't be exactly the same. That number should be going down. You should be showing Cassini, the supercomputer that eBay is using, that algorithm. You should be showing that algorithm that you constantly trying to give your future customers a better deal. And a better deal looks like they buy it for less, even if that's really not the case. You see, that's the main reason we put it up by 5%, but we pulled the sell even down by also, like 5%. So technically the items stay the same price, the same, revenue and the same profit. However, on a psychological level, it just looks like it's less. Instead of it showing $10, it's showing $12, but it caught $2. There's a red line between it that says it's $10. So now that person only see that, oh my God, I'm saving $2. Especially when other people have it at $12, $13, $14. Yours going to sell faster. That's the argument.
I noticed too on my listings, I have in green, it shows that that they'll get the item very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
I've noticed a lot of other, sellers, they don't have that, but mine, it shows that I ship very quickly.
That's from having 1 to 2 day handling time.
Yeah.
And to get top rated seller, you need to have 1 day handling time. Like that's the only way to get top rated seller.
I was top rated. I was top rated for years, and when I started drop shipping, I lost it. But I'm close to getting it back.
It's probably from changing your handling time to 2 days. If you switch your handling time back to 1 day, and you have free returns, you'll instantly hit top rated seller by next month.
You gotta be careful with that though, because
1 day handling time pushes
being top rated have its own, like you can literally go and look it up where you have its own threshold that you have to meet. So it's not, it's not just, they're not just handing you the top rated.
Hello,